Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. One analyst suggests that Bitcoin, being unable to make new highs in the past 80 days, may actually signal a bear market or a period of extended consolidation or sideways movement of prices or even decreases. Here's what he says: never in any bull market in Bitcoin's entire history have we corrected for this long, then made new highs in the same year. Probably then we may be unable to recover our gains from the start of the year and experience a year of sideways movement or even further declines. This is further emphasized by this bearish cross or death cross, where the 50-day moving average crossed below the 200-day moving average, considered very strong bearish signal in technical analysis. However, on the positive side, Cardano keeps expanding and partners with the crypto lending player Nexo, allowing members to trade some of its tokens and expanding the breadth, scope, reach and accessibility of the network. However, if Bitcoin is bearish, then this is not the case with the DeFi tokens, as actually they're rebounding as the crypto market adds 70 billion and the total value locked are still very healthy across the top protocols, and some of the best performers that you can trade on the Stormgain platform include Synthetix, Aave, which I discussed yesterday, and Compound Finance. Now we're going to move to the charts and see how you can trade some of these assets, beginning with Bitcoin versus Tether. Bitcoin broke above resistance at 34,750 and now presents good buying opportunities with targets 35,600 and 35,930. Conversely, if we break below 34,750, we could see more declines, taking us down to 34,200 and 33,700. Now let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum recovered very strongly over the last few hours and it's currently trading above the critical level of 2,335, which gives us good buying opportunities with targets 2,385 and 2,450, which is not even on that hourly chart as it was level that we haven't seen in a couple of days. Conversely, if we break below 2,335, it's likely that the bearish sentiments will prevail, taking us down with good targets on the short side 2,260 and 2,200. And now let's move to Cardano. Cardano is tinkering with very important psychological level around 1.45, and ideally I want us to trade above 1.45 to feel confident to initiate long positions with targets 1.49 and 1.53. Conversely, below 1.45, it's more than likely that some of these gains from the last couple of hours may be retraced and we could be retesting the support at 1.415 and 1.386. And now let's move to some of the DeFi protocols, beginning with Synthetix. On the 4-hour chart of Synthetix versus Tether, we can see a very robust rally from the last couple of days, beginning at levels approximately 5.7, rallying by multiple hundreds of percent to reach 12.1, currently trading just below 12. Ideally, if we zoom out a little bit, we can see that 12.13, 12.15 is a long-term resistance area. So ideally, I want us to trade above that level to initiate long positions with targets 13 and 14. Conversely, below 12.13, I could see potentially retracing some of these gains and stabilizing at the levels of 11 or 10.4. And finally, let's take a look at Compound. Compound is another exceptional performer. You can see on the 1-hour chart it rallied strongly from 420 to above 500. Currently I'm using 510 as my pivot point to initiate long positions with targets 560 and 600, which are far more longer term levels that we haven't seen from the end of May, when we had the big correction in cryptocurrencies. However, below 510 we could see declines with targets on the short side 487 and 460. As always, keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection, and remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.